Hi, it's Darnell with Way Over Recipes. Today I'm going to be air frying wings in the Cuisinart air fryer toaster oven and grill. So let's see how it does air frying some wings right now. So for ingredients, I've got myself 1 dozen wing sections here, and I'm going to be using some extra light olive oil, some freshly cracked black pepper, and some Old Bay seasoning. So I'm going to go ahead and get oil on the wings, a light coating of oil, and then I'm going to get seasoning all on them, and then I'll go ahead and put them into the air fry basket here. Alright, so I got things all seasoned up and just setting them evenly distributed into the air fry basket here. You can of course use the seasonings of your choice. These are ones that I personally use, and as I always point out, nothing in this video or other videos of the nearly 800 videos on this channel, 0, and I say 0, are sponsored by anyone. I don't take any freebie stuff from anyone. I don't have any insider connections with anyone. Everything done here is totally independent, and that's the way I like it, and I hope that's the way you like it too. Because we can say what we want about these cookers, even when they don't work too well. So, sliding things up on the upper rack level. This right hand was never really used for anything, so it doesn't have any chicken stuff on it. But turning the knob over to air fry there, let's see, I turn it over this way a little bit. See, well, I'll turn the light on once it starts cooking. But we got air fry. I'm going to do 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to turn it over 20 minutes. Let things run like that for a while. Got that light on now, and well, actually, now the light's on. We'll let things cook like that for a bit, and I'll bring on back in a little bit. Alright, so things have been going for almost 20 minutes, and the top side is starting to look the way that I like things to kind of look. I want things to get some crispness to them. I'm not cooking the temperature, I'm cooking to the texture that I want. And so we see things look pretty good. I'm going to flip them over now, get that other side cooked some. The other side looks pretty good. Wow, that's pretty good. Maybe I don't need to flip them over. That looks pretty good on both sides there. I'm just going to let them finish. I'm not going to bother with them. I'll just let them finish out 20 minutes. Alright, the cook is over. So I'm going to go on in here, and now I'll check the temperature, but I do expect it to be far beyond 165, because as I said, my goal was never to cook to 165, it was to get the texture I want. Yeah, so we're near 200, so I'm good with that. I'm just fine with it, but you know, if you are a 165er, you can stop sooner. So we see how things look on that side, see how things look on the opposite side. They all look pretty nice. So I'm going to go ahead and get them all plated now here on the plate, and just let them rest for maybe about 5 minutes to just cool down and relax a little bit. So I do like how they turned out, and I didn't really see a need to flip or anything like that. I mean, both sides look pretty decent as far as the look of things. That's pretty nice to have a bake pan underneath, but no, you know, things being like super undercooked on the bottom or anything like that. So it's pretty good. So I'll bring you on back after I let these just relax for a little bit, and I'll just take this last one here in the back. You see, it's probably more well done than the others. I guess in the back maybe things cook a little more. I'm going to set that on down there, and we'll do a taste test. So thank God for a fully cooked wing, and let's go ahead and do a taste. a little hot. Trying not to burn my mouth as I chew. But moist inside, crisp on the outside. The Cuisinart, Cuisinarts, when it comes to air frying, they always knock it out the park. I can't name a Cuisinart. Seriously, never had a Cuisinart that couldn't air fry really great. I mean, they're always top-notch in air frying. So they did it again. The Cuisinart air fryer toast oven and grill, top-notch air fryer. That's all I can say. So the wings turned out great. Now, nothing in the video, as I said, is sponsored. In the video description, lots of ways to help the channel, such as donations now using Buy Me a Coffee, no longer PayPal. So you can get that link for Buy Me a Coffee in the video description. Also, merch, memberships, and also you can use like the referral link to my Amazon shop, pay the same price for cookers like this and others. Help the channel, even if you use that as a jump off point to buy other things that are not available in my Amazon shop. And still help the channel out by starting out there. So, with all of that said, if you did like the video, please do give it a thumbs up. Share the video with a friend, leave your comments, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification icon, and good eating.